Hey, what's up, everybody? Mustache Trading here again, and I just kind of wanted to go over the Ford alert and the Apple loss. So we took big profits here on Ford, and we took a very small loss on Apple. So I wanted to cover that. Let me go to the alerts real quick. Me being so very prepared, as you can tell. And here we go. Also, wanted to kind of look at this again. So if you didn't see last night, I had posted this, just kind of covering the BNGO leap that we're still in. Still holding it, no problem there. But just going over the importance of holding longer. Just kind of wanted to hammer back over that. But multiple videos to cover that if you want to go, recover those. But today on Ford and Apple, just on the two alerts I posted, Ford actually ended up pushing up very big today. We had some just news just start pouring out today, so that was very awesome. That no earnings or nothing, just numbers started pouring out. People started loving it more, and it started getting a lot more hype. So it was really awesome that we just happened to be in it, and that's just being prepared at the right time. That's not luck. That's really awesome that we got that pump, but that's just being prepared at the right time. Entry, of course, was yesterday when we had posted that. So very awesome if you guys are in that and it's moving still. So, but ended up taking pretty big profits on that, as you guys can see. It was up 22.5%, and then we took our 10% loss on Apple, as you can see. And then Ford kept pumping up. We were still looking. We took most profits at 42% at 9 o'clock. And I'll show you why. So we took 75% of our profits at the top of this candle because it's pushing through my main target. I was really looking at this 1525 to 1550. I saw that we kept pushing up to it. So I was like, okay, well, I'll just use the next then. So 1550, very big move there. And as you can see on the alert, we were up about, 42%. And that's where we took most of our profits. And then as I saw it go up and just about hit 16, I was like, okay, well, we might as well just take this, because really my target was 1575. I was going to take it here, but I saw the amount of buyers we just kept getting. I was like, okay, we'll just try one more candle. We got one more candle push up to almost 16. I said, you know what, let's just take it there. So we ended up taking the rest of the profits there. I didn't quite catch the percentage at where the rest of that went, but it was very, very big, because a 50-cent move on a stock that's $15 is very, very big. So very impressed with that move there. But let's go cover our loss as well, because we don't just ignore our losses. We learn from them, okay, guys? Because even through your losses, you should be learning. So I just want to cover this too. If you're still in it, it's still looking decent. It's not bad. But my big thing is, you saw how big of a win we took on Ford. What if I had sat through this? Then my win really wouldn't mean a whole lot, dollar wise, percentage wise. I play off percentages, and that really wouldn't help us at all if I just held through that loss. So we actually ended up cutting it as it went through this first candle, going down. So didn't really take that big of an L. It was actually 10% right on the dime. It was like 9.6, 9.8% loss. So if you end up taking that L, totally cool if you're still in it. It's still holding pretty decent levels, but I'm just not comfortable with sitting in it for right now, because there's going to be plenty of opportunities in case it drops any further. If it does end up moving higher, it's okay. I'm still looking for other opportunities. I'm not gonna be mad about one moving on without me. But just wanted to cover the loss as well. As you can see, it also came up and hit that pre-market low, gave us a little fake out recovery. But also a good spot to cut loss if you saw that kind of rejection. I mean, that's a pretty strong rejection. We play patterns here. That's an almost bearish engulfing at that pre-market low rejection. And it's not just pre-market low. The last few days it's sat on that level. So very good spot to definitely cut and just wait. So only a 10% L over and over 40 to 60% win on Ford. We're looking good on that. KO spread update got posted, and we got a new JD alert play. Shout out to Mustache Man. End of day, I'm going to be looking at DE, CVS, Burke B, and NDM. There's a few others as well, but I'll definitely try and post something. If I don't, you'll definitely see me post some charts or some sort of update on what I am watching. But I hope everyone has a good rest of their day, and I hope this update helped, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you.